Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayla with Kayla's Cricut Creations, and in today's video I'm going to give you my honest review of the Create Room DreamBox 2. I just recently posted a video sharing the delivery, build, setup, final results, so I'll put a link down in my description box if you want to check that out. Create Room did send me the DreamBox 2, but like I said, I'm going to give my honest review, and I'm so excited to show you all the different features, so let's dive in. For those of you who don't know, the DreamBox 2 is a customizable craft station and organizer from Create Room. It's designed to help crafters like those with die cutting machines like Cricuts, quilters, paper crafters, sewers, keep their supplies neat and organized. This amazing piece of furniture just really helps reduce the need for extra storage, bookshelves, things like that. Let's talk about the delivery process first. I was nervous about how large this was going to be and if it was going to be tough to get it inside my house. I did not do the pre-assembly option, so there was a lot of pieces. They made the process super easy though. The time was scheduled for it to be delivered, and the guy who delivered it was so great. He used a lift to lower it down and brought it right up to my driveway. So I'll be honest, when I first saw all the pieces and parts laid out, it was definitely overwhelming. There were so many components and I wondered how I was going to get it all put together. But let me tell you, Create Room did an amazing job with their instructions. They were incredibly easy to follow with clear step-by-step directions that made the whole process much more manageable. I do recommend finding the hardware box with the instructions first before you start opening up other boxes. This is what it looks like. I had opened box 1 and that actually wasn't the first step, so you'll definitely want to find the instructions first. One tip I have for anyone planning to build their DreamBox 2 is to definitely have a second person help you. I had my husband help and it made a world of difference. Not only did it go faster, but there were also times when you really needed two people to lift and maneuver different pieces. When the DreamBox 2 is closed, it looks nice and sleek. It's nice to have this option to close it, especially if you have it out in a main living space and you're having people over. You can just shut it and it looks nice. One thing I didn't expect for some reason was how deep it would be when it's closed. It is about 3 feet deep, so just be aware of that. You're just going to want to measure everything in your space, and Create Room has an amazing guide that shows all of their measurements laid out so well. I'll put a link for that down in my description box. The DreamBox is a tri-fold storage cabinet. When you open it up, it expands to over 9 feet wide and stands almost 6 feet tall. It's not as deep when it's open, and I think what I'll do is just always keep mine open just because it looks so beautiful in my workspace. And like I said, I would measure before you purchase it. You can also make this work in a corner. I saw on Create Room's Instagram post, somebody had folded the swing doors in and it looked really cute. When crafting, you can even fold the doors in and you can easily access anything that you need when you're crafting, so that's kind of a cool option as well. I decided to purchase the deluxe crown to go with my DreamBox 2. This gives you a double light. If you're going back and forth on this, it's not a necessity. You'll already have one light with the DreamBox, but having those two lights, it just makes it so bright, so it'll be nice when I'm weeding out vinyl. I also think it's fun to add a little decor to the crown, like a banner. I just have not done that yet because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I also plugged in a smart plug behind my DreamBox and I connected it to Alexa so that I can just say, Alexa, turn on my DreamBox. Here's a clip of me doing it. Alexa, turn on my DreamBox. Here's a quick look at the table that comes with the DreamBox. It is nice and sturdy. I believe the older model had legs under the table and this doesn't, so that's super nice. Another thing that I absolutely love about the DreamBox is that you can mix and match the shelves and totes. It's totally customizable. When you look at the Create Room Instagram page, it seems like everyone's DreamBox looks a little different, so that's so fun to make it your own. I will say it might take you a while to get it all organized, but I find it fun to put it all together, and if you don't like where you put something, it is so easy to change it up. The swing doors are totally customizable as well. You can choose where you place everything. You can add hooks for your tools. There's rods where I decided to put ribbon and transfer tape. I also decided to put my rolls of vinyl in the swing doors. I only did one row, but you can actually fit 2 rows of vinyl in each one, so it can fit a lot of vinyl. The way I have this set up, and if I do 2 rows of vinyl on each shelf, I counted it and I would be able to fit around 100 rolls of vinyl. That is insane. Here's a look at the totes. There's small, medium, and large, and it might be my favorite part of the DreamBox. I had my supplies in random bins before, so I was amazed by how easily these organize my craft supplies, especially with the dividers that come with them. I'm seriously amazed by how these dividers just make everything even more organized. It is just amazing. I found the small totes to be great for pens, markers, washi tape, die cutting supplies like squeegees, weeding tools, glitter, and glue. The medium totes were great for paint, glitter, glue guns, Cricut blanks, tape, paint brushes, and some other miscellaneous items. The medium totes just sit on the shelves instead of using those tracks. The large totes were the perfect size for cutting materials for the Cricut, like cardstock, adhesive vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, felt, chipboard, printable vinyl, and foil, things like that. Another fun thing you can do with these totes is add covers to the front. This kind of helps it look a little less busy when you're looking at it straight on. I used cardstock and cut it out on my Cricut machine. It gives it such a fun look, and it's another way you can personalize it to fit your personality. I started off with pink because that's my favorite color, but then I decided I just wanted bright pops of color in mine, and I was so happy with the results. The storage underneath is perfect for machines. I have 5 Cricut machines in my DreamBox, and I also was able to fit 6 heat press machines in here. I'm honestly shocked by how many machines can fit. I feel like Create Room just thinks of the little details, which is awesome. They have these cord openers in the back, so it makes it really easy to plug in your light, laptop, Cricut machines, and things like that. There's also magnets on the swing doors so they don't go flying forward or back, which is really awesome. They also provide safety brackets so you can attach your DreamBox to the wall. That was so important to me. I have a 10, 6, and 2-year-old. I do not want this thing moving. The DreamBox 2 is pricey. It's a big investment. It starts at around $2,500, but you can add on other items like the deluxe crown, drawers, full totes, which increases the price. They do have financing options, and they do have sales throughout the year. And there you have it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my honest review of the DreamBox 2. It really is a dream come true. I know there's a reason why they call it the DreamBox. Check out all my info and links in the description box. I do receive a small commission off of it, and I just want to say I appreciate it so much when you're purchasing through my links. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crafting content.